and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bybit has confirmed details of the much-awaited Pump.fun token sale, revealing that users registered through its European Union regulated platform, Bybit.eu, will not be able to participate, citing compliance in the European Union's markets in crypto assets regulation MiCA. The public sale of Pump, the native token of the no-code meme coin launchpad Pump.fun, will open on Saturday at 14 UTC and run through Tuesday, according to a Wednesday press release. Well, a total of 150 billion Pump tokens, 15% of the 1 trillion total supply, will be offered at a fixed price of $0.04 USDT per token. Bybit has become the second major crypto exchange to reveal details about the upcoming Pump token sale, following a slip by Gate.io. On Tuesday, Gate.io has briefly published a page outlining a $600 million Pump token sale, which was quickly taken down. A new proposal from the FTX Recovery Trust aims to freeze repayments to creditors in 49 countries, including China, Russia, Nigeria, Pakistan, and Saudi Arabia, pending legal clarity. Though these jurisdictions account for just 5% of the total allowed claims worth approximately $16 billion, 82% of that amount is tied to China. The trust seeks court approval for a hold and review process, hiring local counsel, issuing a restricted jurisdiction notice, and giving creditors 45 days to object. If no objection is filed or a region is deemed restricted, affected claims with principal plus accrued interest will revert to the trust. A court hearing on this plan is scheduled for July 22, and Chinese creditors have voiced strong objections via social media. The royal government of Bhutan moved 213.5 BTC worth $23.7 million to Binance on June 30, marking its first on-chain transfer in 7 months. Bhutan remains 11,924 BTC, valued at around $1.28 billion. The transfer has sparked speculation that the kingdom may be preparing to sell, rebalance reserves, or support expanding crypto infrastructure, including merchant adoption and payments. Bhutan has mined Bitcoin via state-backed hydropower operations, quietly building its digital treasury. With such a sizable stash for a small economy, Bhutan is viewed as a major government Bitcoin holder. Though no official explanation was given, this move underscores Bhutan's strategic use of crypto for economic diversification. Stablecoin issuer Circle has partnered with major crypto exchange OKX to deepen liquidity for conversions of its USDC stablecoin with the US dollar. OKX is rolling out zero-fee USDC conversions with USD as part of a new partnership with Circle, the companies announced in a joint statement on Wednesday. While not affecting network fees, the partnership between Circle and OKX aims to remove some infrastructure challenges. OKX is also exploring a partnership with Tether, an OKX spokesperson confirmed. Tokyo-based energy company Remixpoint raised around $215 million to expand its Bitcoin treasury, while Remixpoint will allocate the newly raised funds entirely to Bitcoin acquisition, the company said in an X post. So this series of stock acquisition rights will create 55 million new shares, representing a 39.9% dilution. The issuance is made without any discount and is conducted at market price. So the post also states that the firm aims for its reserve to reach 3,000 BTC in the near term. Also, Remixpoint is currently the 30th largest corporate Bitcoin treasury with a balance of 1,051 Bitcoin worth more than $113.8 million, according to BitcoinTreasuries.net data. Donald Trump Jr., the eldest son of the US president, disclosed an investment in Thumzup Media Corp, a social media marketing company that has adopted the Bitcoin treasury strategy. So Trump Jr. currently holds 350,000 shares of the company, valued at nearly $3.3 million, according to Bloomberg, and the stock is currently trading hands at roughly $9.50 per share. The company's board of directors approved the use of Bitcoin as a corporate treasury asset in November 2024 by green-lighting the purchase of up to $1 million in Bitcoin. Well, Thumzup currently holds 19.11 BTC, valued at over $2.1 million, according to data from Bitcoin Treasuries, which it began accumulating in January. Binance co-founder CC's family office is set to back a new Treasury firm that will offer investors exposure to BNB with the aim of going public in the US. Well, YZI Labs said on Wednesday it will support the investment firm 10x Capital in spinning up a BNB Treasury company that will pursue a listing on a major US exchange, according to a statement. Now, 10x Capital will serve as the asset manager of the planned BNB buying company. The planned company is the latest in a trend of firms buying up large amounts of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, providing Wall Street a vehicle for exposure to digital assets. The founder of Tron blockchain, Justin Sun, has announced plans to buy $100 million of Trump meme coin ahead of the potential collaboration between his blockchain firm and the meme coin. The announcement underscores Sun's strategy to intervene cryptocurrency with political influence. He already has a $75 million investment in Trump-linked crypto project World Liberty Financial and reportedly a $40 million investment in Trump tokens. Well, the move reflects this week's early announcement that the Trump meme coin will be launching on Tron blockchain. The proposal to make the Trump-backed WLFI token tradable is now officially open for community voting. Now, after receiving strong support on the WLFI forums, the team believes the time is right. After receiving strong support on the WLFI forums, the team believes that the time is right to move from a closed system to an open and tradable token model. The vote will run until July 16, 2025, and this proposal comes just days after a major announcement on July 4, 2025, US Independence Day. The WLFI team used the symbolic date to highlight the project's goal of financial freedom and community ownership. If approved, the proposal would allow people to send, receive, and trade WLFI tokens for the first time. This would also mark the start of a new chapter for the project, enabling wider participation in governance, token utility, and ecosystem growth. South Korea's Ministry of SMEs and Startups announced Wednesday that it plans to lift restrictions preventing crypto-related businesses from qualifying as venture companies. Currently, firms operating in the virtual assets sector are excluded from the government's venture classification, which limits their access to various tax breaks and financial support. Also, the announcement said that the government is currently mostly focusing on nurturing the digital asset industry, and following last year's implementation of crypto regulations, legal protections for users are already in place. For this reason, restricting the industry is inappropriate. Well, the ministry will accept public comments on the proposal until August 18. A final enforcement date has not yet been announced. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.